Hello everyone, today I am talking about teething. A common and often uncomfortable experience for babies and their parents. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks that can help soothe a teething baby and make the process a little easier. 1. Chewing on a cold object. One of the simplest and most effective ways to soothe a teething baby is to offer them something cold to chew on. This could be a chilled teething ring, a cold washcloth, or even a frozen fruit such as a banana or an apple slice. The cold temperature will help numb the gums and reduce discomfort. 2. Massaging the gums. Another way to soothe a teething baby is to gently massage their gums with a clean finger. This can help stimulate blood flow and promote healing. 3. Giving teething biscuits. Teething biscuits are a great option for babies who are able to eat solid foods. They provide a hard, crunchy texture that can help soothe sore gums and promote the growth of new teeth. 4. Over-the-counter medication. For more severe cases of teething, over-the-counter medications such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen can be used to relieve pain and discomfort. It's important to follow the recommended dosage and to consult with your pediatrician before giving your baby any medications. 5. Essential oils. For a natural option, some parents find success using essential oils like chamomile, clove, or lavender. Simply add a few drops to a teething ring or cloth and allow your baby to chew on it. However, it's important to note that some essential oils can be toxic to babies, so be sure to do your research and consult with a professional before using this approach. That concludes our tips and tricks for teething. Remember, every baby is different and what works for one may not work for another. If you have any concerns about your baby's teething process, be sure to consult with your pediatrician. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to subscribe and leave a like or comment for more content like this. If you have any suggestions about content for future videos, please leave a comment with it. And, as always, thanks for watching.